Modern masculinity in interior design has moved beyond the cliches of race car beds and primary color saturation. Today's sophisticated youth bedroom is a masterclass in architectural integrity, blending Scandinavian pragmatism with a bespoke editorial flair. The challenge lies in creating a space that feels curated rather than cluttered, a sanctuary that evolves alongside its inhabitant. IKEA structural staples provide the ultimate foundation for this transformation. By applying artisanal finishes, custom millwork, and high-end hardware to familiar silhouettes, we can achieve a custom-built aesthetic at an accessible price point. These 10 elevated hacks redefine the nursery to nightstand transition, with a focus on texture, tonal palettes, and refined functionality. Number 1. Flute the Kura Loft. The Kura bed is a versatile icon, but its white and pine finish can feel overly juvenile. Elevate the structure by cladding the exterior panels in vertical oak fluting. This adds a sophisticated rhythmic texture that mimics high-end architectural cabinetry while grounding the room with a natural warmth. Number 2. Suspend the Ivar cabinet. Floor space is a luxury in urban dwellings. Mount raw Ivar cabinets to the wall in a linear arrangement and finish them in a monochrome matte charcoal. By floating the storage, you create a sense of weightlessness and a sophisticated gallery-like display for books and treasures. Number 3. Reframe the mom bedside. The mom's minimalist profile is a perfect canvas for tactile intervention. Replace the integrated drawer fronts with custom cane webbing or leather-wrapped handles. This simple shift introduces organic materiality to a piece of furniture that usually feels clinical. Number 4. Architecturalize the Billy bookcase. Transform standard Billy units into custom floor-to-ceiling built-ins. Use MDF headers and baseboards to bridge the gap between the unit and the ceiling, then paint the entire assembly in a deep navy. It creates a scholarly atmosphere that feels integrated into the home's architecture. Number 5. Upholster the Calyx bench. Turn the ubiquitous Calyx into a chic window seat. By adding a custom-sewn tufted cushion in a heavy-duty Belgian linen or boucle, you transform a storage cube into a high-end reading nook. It's a masterclass in merging utility with soft editorial comfort. Number 6. Stain the Rost mid-century. The raw pine Rost dresser is often overlooked. Sand the wood and apply a rich walnut stain. Then swap the stock legs for tapered mid-century modern brass-tipped versions. The result is a piece that looks like a vintage find from a high-end boutique. Number 7. Industrialize the Trofast. The Trofast is a storage workhorse, but its plastic bins are a design deterrent. Replace them with custom-built wooden boxes or matte black metal wire baskets. Paint the frame in a stark white or deep olive to create an organized hub that feels mature and industrial. Number 8. Venetian the Lac shelves. Elevate simple lac floating shelves by wrapping them in high-quality wood veneer or a stone effect contact paper. Arranged in an asymmetrical cluster, they function as architectural ledges for displaying curated photography and sculptural objects. Number 9. Carve a PAX nook. Maximize a PAX wardrobe system by omitting one section of doors to create an integrated desk or closet office. Line the interior with cork or a dark wood laminate to create a focused, moody workspace that tucks away behind the wardrobe's sleek facade.